Jackknife rig got the traffic stopped. Interstate looking like a parking lot. Fat boy flying on a fat boy bike, weaving in and out and passing me by. I honked my horn and shot the bird at that crazy SOB. Yeah, but deep down I was wishing it was me. But if I had one, I'd have to say I'd probably do the same dang thing. Pull her to the shoulder and let that steel horse run. I'd be hell on wheels if I had one. Called my brother, said, how you been? We ain't been fishing since I don't know when. He said this graveyard shift's a graveyard grind. I've got more bills than I got time. I'd love to wet a line, but my wife just stay on my case. I said, I guess I know who wears pants around your place. But if I had one, I'd have to say I'd probably do the same dang thing. Stay at home holding my baby when the workday's done. Yeah, I'd try to keep her happy if I had one. Sitting on a bar stool talking to a lady. She's running my tab up, calling me baby. Buy her a drink, she'll let you chase her and watch her shake her money maker. Oh, if I had one, I'd have to say I'd probably shake it the same dang way. Hike it up high as I could get it, son. Never buy another beer if I had one. You know things would be different if I had one. That's what I'd do if I had one of those. I'd do it just like that, right there. Things would be different if I had one too. But I don't. But if I had one, yeah, buddy. Ooh, buddy.